welcome back. We'll start with something akin to outtakes. I left the camera running in the first shot, and the second one I ridiculed myself. Right, here I go. Let's do something out of this shambles. There we are. Now, what have I done with the camera? I've worked with Porter Studios before, but this is classic stuff. Balanced on a small boy's sit-on truck. Another masterpiece of innovation, British innovation. I often watch other people's channels, and they go, and hello, welcome to the workbench. Workbench. I'm lucky. I've got a styrofoam board balanced on a small child's ride-on truck. That's my workbench. Anyway, what have we got here today? One of these, it was my birthday the other day, and Mini Meltdown wanted to buy me something, and we both like trucks. And this was in the shop, so I bought it. There's other reasons which we'll get into. The other thing is, I think I did an introductory film for this and I've lost it. Either that or I just imagined it in my head, which at the moment is highly likely because everything is out of control. I can't even do that. Anyway, here we are with the parts. See, I've already started spraying it and painting it, and I thought, I'm not quite sure I've done this. But anyway, I was halfway through doing the tyres. They're not complete paint-wise. And I thought, stop now, otherwise it's all going to go too far. Now, I've sprayed it the appropriate brown. It's a Tamiya. I'm half and half about their sprays. It was the usual, I mean, you think it'd be right being a Tamiya model, but anyway, it came in the usual Tamiya allied green colour. And it looks, I don't say simple, it looks fiddly enough to be rewarding and simple enough to be gratifying. So I'm looking forward to this very much, but I have plans, so let's get on with them. I was just going to start talking when that kicked off. I'm not used to living in this kind of urban environment. I'm used to the countryside where you just get tractors and ploughs and balers and dogs barking. Well, we get plenty of dogs barking around here. They howl. But this recently, probably because it's summer, this recently has been just one industrial nightmare noise after another with a load of dogs howling. I've become soft, haven't I? Maybe, maybe not. I must think myself lucky. Anyway, here's some bits. The chassis is gorgeous. Lots of the plastic's really nice. The fine detail, the fit, everything, superb. And here we've got the trailer, but not exactly a trailer, I forgot what it's called. And the wheels are great as well. You get, I'll show you another one in a minute. You get, let me flip this up. You get the hubcap, goes over, you know, a circular bit, but inside you still have all the details. So you could have it without the hubcap on, because that does happen. I don't like lost detail in interior, because, you know, it is lost. But I do like it when you have an option, and I do like it when the option is accurate, authentic and realistic. So that's just one of those nice little things. I'll find the spare wheel and show you the interior. Here we go. There. 4 nuts. So you could have this, you know, somebody doing some work on the wheel, because the detail's there. The option is available. Option's good. Here's the various bits we're up to. Trial runs have shown they fit together very nicely. Oops. And it's all going remarkably well. This is a very, very neat and tidy little model. And it was Father's Day that I got this for, not my birthday. I don't know. There's so many reasons to celebrate my presence on the planet, aren't there? Anyway, let's glue it all together. Just a nice little moment. There's a obviously vintage car quality about this. I can see Laura and Hardy driving this one. It's nice. Very, very nice. Got some trimming of paintwork to do, but it's lovely. Nice fit on that one. I looked it up in the instructions what that's called and I've forgotten what it is again. Unbelievable. Anyway, I'm old. I want sympathy. Wheel arches on. Another lovely fit. Enjoying this so far. Oh, I was just going to put the cab on, but I do believe there's a driver. I was tempted to do it without a driver, but it needs one, doesn't it? For those people who skip through, obviously there's green bits there and it's all da-da-da. It's not finished. It's all popped together. I can lift the whole of the cab off, which is wonderful, because it's a sign of a really good model, I think, that things pop together like that. And I can take the canvas back off as well, which I won't do because it'll all go wrong and I'll end up dropping it and breaking it, but you know, that's what you can do. Anyway, there it is. It looks lovely, doesn't it? What a beautiful vehicle and an extremely good little model. Well done, Tamiya. I am enjoying it. I've got to take it all off because I haven't got any glazing in it and I haven't got a driver. So we'll end there briefly, more shortly obviously, which means I've got a bunch of things I've got to finish off, doesn't it? Particularly the guillotine. But anyway, thank you for watching. More again soon, I do hope. So see you in a bit.